Welcome back to USA Garden Hacks and Tools. Today we're diving into how the right tools can turn your garden into a personal sanctuary. Let's get started with my top 10 must-have garden tools for 2025, each one designed to make your gardening easier, more enjoyable, and more rewarding. First up, let's talk about a tool that truly lives up to its reputation as your hand's best friend, the ergonomic hand trowel. For anyone who loves spending time in the garden, this tool is a total game changer. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the right trowel can make all the difference in your gardening experience. Imagine working in your garden for hours, digging, planting, and transplanting, but without the usual aches and pains in your wrist and hand. That's the promise of an ergonomic hand trowel. The secret lies in its thoughtfully contoured handle, which is designed to fit naturally in your palm. This isn't just about comfort. It's about reducing wrist strain and fatigue, so you can garden longer and with greater precision. The handle's non-slip grip ensures that even if your hands are wet or muddy, you'll maintain full control. This means you can dig, scoop, and plant with confidence, knowing your tool won't slip or cause discomfort. It's perfect for people with arthritis or anyone who wants to avoid hand cramps after a day in the dirt. The blade itself is crafted from high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel, making it both sturdy and sharp. This means you can cut through tough soil, roots, and even compacted earth with ease. No more struggling with flimsy tools that bend or break under pressure. The sharp edge allows for precise digging and transplanting, so you can create perfect holes for your seeds and seedlings every time. Plus, the rust-resistant finish ensures your trowel will last season after season, looking as good as new. Versatility is another key feature. Whether you're scooping soil into pots, mixing compost into your garden beds, or gently tucking in delicate seedlings, this trowel handles every task with ease. Its balanced weight and ergonomic design mean you can switch between jobs without missing a beat. You'll find yourself reaching for it again and again, whether you're working in a small container garden or a sprawling backyard plot. What really sets the ergonomic hand trowel apart is how it supports your body. By promoting a more natural wrist position, it helps you maintain a relaxed posture while you work. This means less fatigue and more enjoyment, so you can spend more time doing what you love. Gardening should be a pleasure, not a chore, and the right tools make all the difference. If you've ever struggled with a standard trowel, you'll immediately notice the difference when you upgrade to an ergonomic model. The improved grip, sharper blade, and overall comfort make every gardening task smoother and more enjoyable. It's a small investment that pays off every time you step into your garden. So if you want to work smarter, not harder, and truly enjoy every moment you spend tending your plants, make the switch to an ergonomic hand trowel. Your hands and your garden will thank you. Next, let's talk about one of the most important tools in any gardener's arsenal: heavy-duty pruning shears. Whether you're a seasoned horticulturist or just starting out, the right pair of shears can make all the difference in your garden's health and appearance. Pruning isn't just about keeping things tidy, it's about encouraging robust, healthy growth and ensuring your plants reach their full potential. Pruning shears are essential for maintaining healthy, beautiful plants. By removing dead or overgrown branches, you allow sunlight and air to reach the inner parts of your plants, which helps prevent disease and promotes vigorous new growth. A well-pruned garden is a flourishing garden, full of life and color. The key is to use shears with sharp, high-quality blades. Sharp blades make clean, precise cuts, which are crucial for the health of your plants. Clean cuts heal faster and reduce the risk of infection or disease entering through ragged wounds. Dull blades, on the other hand, can crush stems and leave plants vulnerable. You can use pruning shears for a variety of tasks: trimming roses to encourage more blooms, deadheading spent flowers to keep your garden looking fresh, or shaping shrubs and hedges for a neat, manicured appearance. The versatility of a good pair of shears makes them indispensable for every gardener. When choosing shears, look for a comfortable, ergonomic grip. Gardening can be hard on your hands, especially during long pruning sessions, so a handle that fits well in your hand and reduces strain is a must. This small detail can make a big difference in your overall gardening experience. Safety is also important. A reliable safety lock keeps the blades closed when not in use, protecting your fingers and making storage safer. It's a simple feature, but it adds peace of mind, especially if you have children or pets around. Spring-loaded action is another feature to look for. This mechanism automatically opens the blades after each cut, reducing hand fatigue and allowing you to prune for longer periods without discomfort. It's especially helpful for those with weaker grip strength or arthritis. Investing in a high-quality pair of pruning shears is truly an investment in your garden's future. With every precise snip, you're helping your plants grow stronger, healthier, and more beautiful. Over time, you'll notice the difference in the vibrancy and resilience of your garden. With the right tools, pruning becomes a joy rather than a chore. You'll find yourself looking forward to tending your plants, knowing that each cut brings you closer to the lush, thriving garden you've always dreamed of. Tired of wrestling with heavy tangled hoses? Try an expandable garden hose. Lightweight and compact when empty, it expands to reach every corner of your garden. No more kinks, tangles, or storage headaches, just effortless watering. When you're done, it shrinks back for easy storage. This hose brings modern convenience to a classic task. Focus on nurturing your plants, not fighting your equipment. Watering has never been simpler. Meet the adjustable garden rake, the only rake you'll ever need. Expand the tines wide for gathering leaves, or narrow them for tight spaces and flower beds. It's perfect for leveling soil, spreading mulch, and cleaning up debris. One tool, endless uses. No more clutter in your shed. Adapt to any task with a quick adjustment. Smart, efficient, and essential for every gardener. Take care of yourself with a multi-purpose garden kneeler and seat. The cushioned pad protects your knees, while sturdy rails help you stand up easily. Flip it over for a comfortable bench, perfect for pruning or taking a break. Handy tool pouches keep essentials within reach. Stay comfortable and organized so you can enjoy gardening longer. Self-care is key to a lifetime of happy gardening. Make your comfort a priority. Unsure when to water? A soil moisture meter is your new best friend. Just insert the probe and get an instant reading, no batteries needed. Perfect for pots and garden beds, it helps prevent over or underwatering. Tailor your watering to each plant's needs and conserve water. Understand your garden's microclimates and keep plants healthy. Simple, effective, and confidence-boosting. Let your plants tell you what they need. And weeding doesn't have to be a pain with a stainless steel weeder. The forked tip targets deep roots, pulling weeds out completely. No regrowth. Durable and rust-resistant, it's built for tough soil and years of use. Its slim design lets you weed precisely, even among delicate plants. Make weeding quick, satisfying, and effective. Give your plants room to thrive, weed-free. A good weeder is your secret weapon. For heavy lifting, a collapsible garden cart is a lifesaver. It hauls soil, plants, and tools with ease, then folds up for compact storage. 4 wheels mean stability and easy maneuvering, even on rough ground. Use it for everything from planting to cleanup. Save your back and make big projects manageable. Smart design, serious convenience. Every gardener needs a trusty cart. Never garden without a great pair of gloves. Look for heavy-duty gloves with reinforced palms and breathable backs. They protect against thorns, splinters, and grime while keeping your hands comfortable. A textured grip gives you control over tools and plants. Find a snug fit for maximum dexterity. Gloves are your first line of defense. Don't skip them. Safe hands, happy gardening. Don't let your garden's beauty fade at sunset. Add solar-powered garden lights. Easy to install, they charge by day and glow by night, no wiring needed. Line pathways, highlight favorite plants, or create a magical ambiance. They add safety, security, and charm to your outdoor space. Choose from a variety of styles to match your garden's personality. Enjoy your garden around the clock. A little light goes a long way. And there you have it. My carefully curated list of 10 essential tools to help your 2025 garden truly thrive. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, having the right tools can make all the difference in your gardening journey. Each tool on this list has been chosen for its versatility, durability, and ability to make your gardening experience more enjoyable and productive. I hope you found some new favorites to add to your own collection. Remember, gardening isn't just about the plants. It's about creating a space that brings you joy, peace, and a sense of accomplishment every single day. These tools are designed to help you nurture your garden, express your creativity, and spend more quality time outdoors with family and friends. Whether you're planting vibrant flowers, growing your own vegetables, or simply enjoying the beauty of nature, the right tools can help you make the most of every moment in your garden. If you're interested in any of the tools I mentioned today, I've made it super easy for you. Just check the video description below for direct links to all my favorite Amazon finds. I've personally tested and loved each one, so you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting quality products that will last season after season. Don't forget to browse through the links for some exclusive deals and recommendations. I'd love to hear from you. What's your absolute must-have garden tool? Maybe you have a secret weapon or a clever gardening hack that's made a big difference in your own backyard. Share your tips, stories, and favorite tools in the comments below. Your insights might just inspire someone else in our gardening community, and I always enjoy reading your creative ideas and experiences. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tips, tricks, and product reviews for making your garden the best it can be, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss out on the latest USA garden hacks and tools, and you'll be the first to know when I post new content. Your support means the world to me and helps our gardening community grow. Thank you so much for joining me today and being a part of this wonderful gardening journey. I hope you feel inspired to get outside, try something new, and make your garden a place you truly love. Until next time, happy gardening, and may your plants flourish and your days be filled with sunshine.